Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to make custom profiles on Kodi. So, if you didn't know, you can make multiple profiles on Kodi, starting from the main screen. So, if you're in here, you want to have separate videos, add-ons, anything like that, you'll just go to the settings, the gear on the top here on the second spot, and then you're going to go to profiles here. And then once you go to profiles, you'll go to show log on screen on startup. Just click that, and then, well, first and foremost, do automatically login setup with last profile used or a master user profile, right? So, but before we get to that though, you're gonna go here to profiles, and the master user is like the admin of the computer, but this is the admin of Kodi. So you can go to add profiles here. We'll put Aqua, hi YouTube, okay, right? So then you'll just keep that there. You can add the profile name, profile picture if you like to, profile directory, lock preferences. The required needs to be set. Okay, so we'll set the master lock here. So then you can either do numeric password, full text password, or gamepad password. We'll do number here, and then you'll hit done, and then you'll hit the number here. Okay, done. And now that you have that, this can lock any of the menus. So you can just do profile lock. You can set the numeric again for the same thing. Might as well set it here, done. And then you can lock music window, videos, pictures, programs, file manager, settings. Even if you can set it to all, so there's different lock settings, but that's another video for itself. Lock on, hit OK, and then hit OK. So start with fresh settings or copy from default. You can start from fresh since it's a new profile. Start from fresh again. All right, so now you have your own profile here. So whatever profile this is, we don't know, we don't care. You're gonna X out of the Kodi here. Actually, we're just gonna wait. We're gonna log off master user. Okay, so now we're at the beginning of the Kodi screen. So now you officially have profiles on Kodi. Okay, so let's go back to your main profile here. You're gonna sign into your new account. Done. There you go. Let's get it. Let's go. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. All right. Peace.